In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Microsoft Office Excel 2007 for free. Right up front. Here's the key truth. Legally downloading Excel 2007 for free isn't possible. Microsoft officially ended support for Office 2007 back in 2017, and they no longer provide a free or legal download for it. If you want to install Excel 2007 today, you must already own the original installation disk and a valid product key. That's the only legitimate path. Be cautious of any third-party websites promising free downloads. Those often come bundled with malware or unwanted software, which can compromise your device and your data. Because Office 2007 is outdated and no longer receives security updates, using it can expose your system to vulnerabilities, even if you still have a working copy. Many modern features, file protections, and integrations won't function as expected. For most people, the smarter move is to switch to a secure, up-to-date, and free alternative that keeps your files compatible and your computer safe. One excellent option is WPS Office. It's a free modern office suite that includes a spreadsheet app highly compatible with Excel 2007 file formats. You can open and edit your .xls and .xlsx files, work with familiar formulas and charts, and save back to formats that others using Excel can open. The interface feels comfortable if you are used to older versions of Office, and it's designed to run smoothly on a wide range of computers. Always download it from the official WPS website to avoid unsafe installers. And consider saving important spreadsheets in XLSX for the best compatibility going forward. Another great choice is Microsoft Office Online, also known as free Microsoft 365 Online. This gives you a free version of Excel right in your web browser. All you need is to sign in with your Outlook account or create one for free. Once you are in, you'll see the featured apps, and you can launch Excel, Word, and PowerPoint without installing anything on your computer. Your files save to OneDrive automatically, which makes them easy to access from any device. It's reliable, secure, and kept up to date by Microsoft, though you'll need an internet connection to use it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.